Hey everyone, and welcome to the Lowland Post YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the recent flooding that devastated Dubai and the surrounding regions in the United Arab Emirates. Dubai has always been known for its hot and dry climate. But in the mid-April 2024, the city experienced a dramatic shift in weather. In just 24 hours, Dubai witnessed the heaviest rainfall in 75 years, receiving more rain than it typically gets in a whole year. This historic downpour overwhelmed the drainage system, causing widespread flooding across the city. The floods caused significant disruption to Dubai infrastructures. Major highways were submerged, bringing traffic to a standstill. Even Dubai International Airport, a major transportation hub, wasn't spared. Flight operations were heavily impacted, leaving many travelers stranded. Beyond infrastructure damage, the floods also caused inconveniences and property damage for many residents. In the aftermath of the disaster, a massive cleanup and recovery operation began. Emergency services worked tirelessly to clear debris, restore essential services, and help residents get back on their feet. The UAE government has also pledged its support to those affected by the floods. While Dubai is known for its resilience, it will take time for the city to fully recover from this unprecedented event. The floods serve as a stark reminder of the impact of climate change and the importance of sustainable urban planning. Thanks for joining me today as we discuss the recent floods in Dubai. If you'd like to learn more about this event, I'll leave some links down in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments what other weather events you'd like to see covered on this channel. Until next time, stay safe.